Hi, Sacramento plumbers. This is Julie Gallagher from Sacramento Top 10, and I had some very interesting info for you. Today, Sacramento Top 10 is on page 1 of Google for Sacramento plumbing contractors. If you are interested in getting more business from the internet, please give me a call. My phone number is 916 265 2521. We have got some fantastic prices because we're in our pre launch of this newly remodeled website of Sacramento Top 10, and I think you'll want to hear about it. So call me 916 265 2521. Thanks very much.